If you're going to spend a lot of time out here, eventually you're going to get a little hungry. And besides, you can't have much of a backyard barbecue without a grill. That must be what a lot of people are thinking, because over the last few years we've been asked to put in more and more outdoor kitchens. Everything from simply building a small grill built in to a small section of countertop to much more elaborate setups with all the appliances you could want or need in a regular kitchen. So we figured that if you're one of those people thinking about creating an outdoor kitchen, we'd give you some help to get you started.
The heart of any outdoor kitchen is the grill, but before you rush out and buy that $29 bargain basement special, let me encourage you to visit a showroom. Talk to a pro who knows about all the options that are available today, options that will suit your needs. Hey, side burners, rotisseries, they're great. Now, I am not going to get into that eternal debate of charcoal versus gas. It's pure preference. Purists will tell you that you cannot beat the flavor of charcoal cooking. And of course, charcoal grills typically tend to be a little less expensive than their gas counterparts. But for built-in situations, gas really is the way to go. It's cleaner, it heats up quicker, and of course you can control the temperature. Now, speaking of built-in situations, if you are building it yourself, keep in mind that even the best grills will break down over time. So make sure you have access to replace any broken or worn parts. One final thought for you. When it comes time for that backyard barbecue and you're sending out those invitations, I like my steak medium well.